Oh, Phil, I'm gonna jump that. Hi, Phil. This will be a great video. How you doing? Well, I jumped it though, didn't I? That was fun. Wasn't exactly my plan, but it worked out. It was fast. Great idea. Speed bend?
Really speed bend. Somebody decided to land on me.
What? That was not a decision. My hand was forced. You're just gonna slow yourself down, Phil. Oh, that's good. You know what though? It's the first time you can say it wasn't your fault.
Yeah.
You better save it flavor, because that ain't gonna happen for a while.